Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the Easy Gold EA for MT5. And before we get into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. It's a solid option if you want something to experiment with alongside what we are reviewing today. Now, this particular EA, the Easy Gold, is designed for the MT5 platform. So, yeah, you should be using the MT5 platform if you want to make use of this expert advisor. And it is built for trading gold, XAUUSD. And from what I've seen, it's clearly optimized around that instrument. The EA is free to download. Okay, so let's just jump right into the description. Right away, one thing that stands out is that this EA is quite interesting considering the type of strategy it's trying to implement. It's marketed as very beginner friendly, basically plug and play. You attach it to the chart, set your risk percentage, and it handles everything else. But beyond the simplicity, there are a few important things to understand here. The EA is designed for intraday trading on XAU USD. All right, specifically on the M10 time frame. So that's very specific. It's a very specific setup, which usually tells you the strategy is tightly optimized around certain volatility and behavior patterns of gold within that time frame. Another key point is that it doesn't use martingale or grid strategies. That's important because it means risk is more controlled at the trade level rather than being managed through position stacking. So instead, each trade has its own stop loss, which is a much more structured way of managing downside risk. Now, let's talk about how this EA actually operates in a practical sense. Even though it's marketed as simple, the logic behind it is clearly selective. It doesn't trade very frequently. We are looking at roughly 10 to 20 trades per month. You can see that mentioned here, about 10 to 20 transactions per month. So this is not a high frequency scalper. It's more of a precision based intraday system. What's also interesting is the trade profile. It tends to lose more trades than it wins, but when it wins, the profits are significantly larger, apparently, or supposedly. So that immediately tells you that this is a risk to reward driven strategy, likely capturing strong moves rather than small scalps. That kind of setup can work very well in trending or breakout conditions, but it can struggle in choppy sideways markets where price doesn't follow through. All right, let us just move into the back testing so that we can actually see how this plays out. I have already downloaded the expert advisor. I'm going to head over to my MT5 platform right now. So we're going to be testing the expert advisor on XAUUSD. All right, M10 time frame. The Easy Gold, right? And then XAUUSD. And we are going to be using the M10 time frame, the recommended time frame. And we are going to be testing from the beginning of this year till date. Okay, so let's just start the test. All right, here we are. The EA is active, and we can also see that it is carefully looking for opportunities in the market. And we can see the RSI technical indicator here alongside all these other indicators. First trade has been opened. All right, okay, this is interesting. Okay, so we can see that the EA is also employing Fibonacci, and we can see this trade here. After executing the trade, a stop loss is set immediately. All right, so we can see that the EA uses a hard stop loss, right? And Let's just continue. The defined stop loss, of course, is helping with the risk management. The EA exits cleanly without trying to recover using additional trades. That's a big difference compared to grid or martingale systems, right? Now, you will also notice the strong directional movement before entry. Now, this is typically where the EA performs best when the market is clearly moving and not just ranging. So, if we take a closer look, you will notice that entry happens as price aligns with momentum, right? And the trade is allowed enough room to develop. Okay. So what we are seeing is a consistent pattern. The EA waits for specific conditions, it enters with controlled risk, and it aims for larger profits relative to losses. Over time, that's how it tries to build profitability. Now, in terms of behavior, this EA performs best in trending markets, breakout environments, and high volatility sessions. And it tends to struggle in sideways markets and low volatility conditions and false breakouts. That's completely normal for this type of strategy. All right. Let's just fast forward a bit through the rest of the back tests. Let's skip to the end. So across this entire period, which includes different market conditions, we are going to be seeing the results in a bit. Perhaps we're going to have a mix of wins and losses, but the overall performance depends heavily on how well those winning trades outweigh the losing ones. All right. So in about a minute's time, we should have the results out and we're going to analyze the results together. So I'm just going to pause the recording here and I'll be back once the results are out. Okay, so our results are out and we can see that we had a net profit of about $68.83. That's giving us roughly 2 point something percent, right, of the deposit. Now we had 115 total trades, 47 short trades, just at 6% win rate for the short trades. We had about 68 long trades and 27.94% win rate for the long trades. All right, our largest profit was $99.17. Largest loss was $6.86. The average profit was $16.33 and average loss was $6.57. This tells me that the risk to reward ratio is good, right? So it actually uses a good risk to reward ratio. Okay. Now, these are historical backtest results, right? So it's very important to understand that they are not guarantees of future performance. The outcome you get will always depend on your risk settings, your lot size, your broker conditions like spread and execution, and of course, market behavior at the time you're trading. What I like here is the structured risk approach. No greed, no martingale, which makes it easier to control drawdown. But at the same time, you have to be comfortable with losing trades because that's part of how this system operates. We can see that there was actually a low win rate, but because of the good risk to reward ratio, the net profit was still positive, right? So if you're going to use something like this, you definitely want to run your own back tests, optimize your risk settings, and ideally test it on a demo account before going live. All right. So overall, Easy Gold EA is a straightforward, beginner-friendly MT5 robot that focuses on controlled risk and high reward trades on gold. It's simple on the surface, but the performance really depends on market conditions and how you manage your settings. If you understand that and you're patient with it, then it is something worth testing out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.